Si Mark, favorite food niya talaga, yung something with vegetables or something with tomatoes. My kids naman, both Mick and Kayla, they really love food that's crunchy, cheesy, or sometimes laging chicken. So ngayon, ang aking nagiging dilemma is, iba pa yung prepare ko for sa aming adults, iba rin yung para sa mga bata. Kayo, nahihirapan din ba kayo mag-prepare ng common meal na magugustuhan ng lahat ng miyembro ng pamilya? I-share ko sa inyo ang isa sa aming family favorites, ang chicken Parmigiana. Hope this helps! To cook chicken Parmigiana, you'll need the following. It has elements that my loved ones want, cheese and tomatoes. Unang gagawin, preheat natin ang oven to 240 . Kusini ka tip, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng quick melt kung wala tayong mozzarella. Now we place this in the preheated oven and bake for 10 minutes. Here's our family favorite chicken Parmigiana, Kusini ka style. I hope you learned something from us.
Yummy, yummy.
This is Kusinika, recipes from the heart.
It's good!
Stir!